Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide your following list on Instagram. Instagram does not currently provide a setting that completely hides the followers or following list from everyone. However, you can switch your account to a private. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram app and go to your settings by clicking on the three lines. Now scroll down till you see account privacy. Now click on it. Now if your account is public, you can enable it by clicking on private account. Now this limits who can view your profile and following information to approved followers. And that's it. That's how Instagram's following list privacy works. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.